It'd be really good for me to get as far away from him as possible.
Ticket? Where's your ticket?
They wouldn't put the doer in front of me.
The doer?
You're the pretty girl. The distraction. Every sim has one.
Are we going to make up for 10 minutes? We are going to try.
Are you talking about Brian?
Hey, Grandpa. What the hell was the delay back there?
What are you late for?
What?
You seem concerned about the time. What are you late for?
Well, I'm going to an asshole festival. I hear you're headlining.
Oh, that's funny. What are you, a comedian?
Yeah. He is the comedian.
Wow. Freak.
Whoa, people.
That's the guy. Came a third of America's Got Talent to play twice for you.
Máximo ya era, ¿no?
She talked about him.
Está claro.